Quincy, how'd you get up there?
I was trying to change the light bulb and the ladder failed.
Well, why don't you come on down here and tell me what happened?
Are you sure?
Yeah, come on down through the roof access.
Okay, catch.
No! Quincy, are you okay?
Oh, David, I'm all right, I guess.
What were you doing up there?
Well, I was trying to change the light bulb up there, and I used some RPCs to get some more height on my ladder.
Quincy, why didn't you just use the roof access and the staircase?
Roof access? Don't know about those.
Hey, Quincy, well, next time, if you're ever using that A-frame ladder, make sure that it's on a stable, flat surface and that you're not using things to prop you up. Maybe next time, you need to use an extension ladder or use the roof access.
Well, that's a good idea. I wish we did that in a safety video.
Quincy, we had this ladder safety talk just last week.
Oh, that's right. I forgot about that.
All right, let's get you retrained.
Oh, okay, and David, I love you.
That's you doing. You gotta change that light bulb.
Hi everybody, my name is Anna Saldana and I am the quality supervisor here at WP Rawl, and today I'm here with Marcos Carrillo. Marcos is one of our QA techs here at WP Rawl, and this week he will be monitoring our metal detectors. Our metal detectors is one of our critical control points that we have here at WP Rawl, and today Marcos will be showing us how the metal detectors are calibrated. He will be using 3 different test bars. Each test bars go inside the bag and then run through the metal detector 3 times each. This process is done every hour. The test bars we are using are 3.0 ferrous, 3.5 non-ferrous, and 4.0 stainless steel. Marcos also collects other information such as product name, PO, bag size, and final temp. He also inspects the product and looks for any defect or excessive stem. The stems and any leaves with defects is separated to determine the percentage of each in the final bag. We do this process frequently to ensure good quality for our customers.
Hola, mi nombre es Hilario Rodríguez, trabajo en la cuadrilla de Antonio. Cortamos cilantro, pero ahorita en este momento no hay. Ahorita lo que estamos haciendo es buscar cebolla bola, buscar la que esté más, la que tenga más bolita. Después de buscarla tenemos que pelarla, encontrar la que tenga más bolita. Y la pelamos. Después le cortamos la raíz. Le ponemos el listón, la liga. Ya cuando está limpia, amarrada, le cortamos. Luego lo vamos a echar a la casa.
Hey y'all, my name is Tyrese Norris. I work in the maintenance department at WP Rawl. I started here about a year ago. I was fresh out of high school, and they hired me as a part-time painter, but they pulled me on into maintenance till they want to see my skills. So So I wear my mask because of the COVID. Hope you guys do too. Make sure you're wearing your mask because it's serious out there. And I just want to make sure everybody's safe. And if you need me, just call me on the radio, channel 3. Or just, if you see me, just stop me and talk to me with whatever you need. I got you.
Hey everybody, it's a beautiful day in Pelion, South Carolina. I'm David Hilpish, the safety specialist at WP Rawl. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about the importance of tractor trailer safety. Now, tractor trailers help us deliver our highly nutritious leafy greens and vegetables to places all over the country. A tractor trailer at full capacity weighs about 80,000 pounds. They're hard to maneuver. They make wide turns, and when you're backing them up to the dock doors, you need to have precise movements to get them to the dock door. So, if you see over there, we have a road that encircles the entire property. We ask that if you're in your personal vehicle, not in a tractor trailer, that you please take these roads around the building to get to your parking area, so you don't interfere with the tractor trailer drivers. Your vehicle, your personal vehicle is a lot smaller than a tractor trailer, so they will be paying attention, but you just don't want to have that battle. So I'm asking that we please give our tractor trailer drivers the room and respect that they need and deserve, so they can get our product to our customers. Also, just as a side note, it's a best management practice to wear a Type R Class 2 reflective vest if you're ever a pedestrian in the shipping yard. But that's all I have. Thank you for your time. Go forth, do good, and be safe. Thank you.